I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back. Today I have a review on the Markartt nail extension gel kit. And in this kit it comes with the lamp and the extension kit itself. But first, let's get into this UV LED nail lamp. It is 24 watts. And this is how it comes packaged on the inside. You have the lamp itself, and then you also have the connector piece, the adapter to go in the wall, and this little blue part that connects to the bottom, it actually comes with the film on this silver part right here that's actually Bluetooth, and you have to tear that off in order for your lamp to work. And it's magnetic, it just pops right on there, and the adapter part plugs in the back piece right here. And this is the nail extension kit itself. And this is how it comes packaged on the inside. It comes with 6 different glitters. What is that? The things to sculpt nails, and then your top and your base coat. And then it also comes with some dual nail forms. With the clear, white, and also natural pink gel. It comes with the 180 nail file. And it also comes with the dual tool that you need to brush and also pick up the gel. Brush and picker. Which it is really cute. I love the detailing on it. And I'm moving into prepping my mom's nails. I'm going to clip them first, push her cuticles back. Then I'm going to slightly buff away her natural shine, and then further dehydrate them with some acetone. And I'm just going in with the dual form to get the proper sizing. And you want to make sure the nail is going from sidewall to sidewall. And you want to be sure to try it on each nail, like both pinkies. Like if both pinkies is an 8 or a 9, then you want to match that on the other side, because sometimes the sidewalls could be slightly bigger or smaller on either finger or hand. And now I'm going in with these flame foils that I got off Amazon. I will leave the link below. And we decided to go with these with the color that she chose. And now that I have everything set up, I am going to go ahead and put down the base coat for the gel. And I'm going to start off with squeezing out a small bead, and I'm going to place it on the dual form, and then I'm going to go in with some acetone as my slip solution to be able to maneuver the gel how I want to. And my mom really do not like long nails at all. She really just like overlays, and this product is good for overlays, and it is also good for people whom are sensitive to like the smell of monomer and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm only going up to like literally the first line on the dual form because she absolutely cannot with long nails. So yeah, after I get it to the length, I am going to take my flame decal and press it in there a little bit. I should have slightly cured it before I went in with the second layer to encapsulate it because it kind of started to slide on me a little bit, as you can see. But I just used some more, dip my brush back in the acetone and maneuver it back to how I want to. And you want to slide the dual form down and clean up any spill out. And then I'm going to cure it. And quick aha moment as I clearly made a learning mistake. Cannot just place the dual form down how I just tried to. You have to slide it. Like you absolutely have to slide it down. Because it just kept coming up. But when you slide it down, I don't know what it is about that slide and movement. But it stay in place. But when I just tried to just set it down on there like that, it wouldn't stay. So slide the dual forms down, ladies. After I have them all on, I'm gonna go in and start filing and shaping. And then after shaping them, I just went back in and kind of cleaned up around her cuticle a little bit. And now I'm just going in and polishing her nails. And I am using the Beatles gel polish collection. And I'm doing a review on that as well. I will leave it linked below, as well as the color that I used.